Hey ladies, so in today's video I'm just gonna do a Valentine's Day makeup. You know, before Valentine's Day actually comes, I want to get a video out for all of you. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that real quick right now. Hopefully it's like simple and easy. If you want to see what I come up with, just keep on watching. I'm starting off with my eyebrows, and for the eyebrows I'm using my BH Studio Pro Brow Palette. And yeah, I'm just filling them in, and yeah. I think I'm gonna be doing an eyebrow tutorial pretty soon, so yeah, just keep a lookout on that. And to set them in place, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Mascara. And yeah, just setting them in place right now. And now to clean up my brows, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and just doing the bottom part of my brows. And then I'm just going to be priming my eyelids with the same concealer and blending it out. And then using my Wet n Wild Concert Palette in Dulce de Leche, I'm setting the concealer in place. For this look, I'm going to be using my Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm using those two shades as a transition color. And with the shade Passion, I'm going to be using that on my crease. And then I'm going to be blending out the edges with a clean fluffy brush. Now I'm just going back in with the same color, Passion, and then just building it up till I have the intensity I like. Now I'm just blending out again, and yeah, that's literally the key to this look. And then with the color Forever, I'm going to be placing that on my crease. And at that point I didn't know what to do, but then I started to do like a halo eye, so I'm going to be placing that color also on my outer corner of the eye and also the inner corner of my eye. I just kept adding some more color at this point, and then now I'm just going to be blending that out so that there are no harsh lines. And then I kept going in with a little bit more color because I felt like it got lost with all that blending. And then after that, you know, just blend a little more. Okay, so this is what makes it a halo eye. So I just put some concealer in the middle of my eyelids and then blend out the edges with my finger so that it's not as harsh. Okay, so I added needed some spark in the middle of my eyelids, and to blend out the edges, I just went in with Create. Okay, now I'm just doing my eyeliner, and if you want to see how I do my eyeliner, I'll be linking down my video for that. Okay, so I'm just going in with my finger with the same color spark, and then blending out the edges again with the color Create. For primers, I'm using my Fenty Beauty primer and then also my Benefit Professional primer. Now to color correct, I'm using my orange corrector by LA Girl Cosmetics and then just blending it out with my fingers. For foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me in Golden Beige and then also my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Bronze Beige, and then using a beauty blender to blend all of that out. And for concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm placing this anywhere I want to highlight and conceal as well. The contour, I'm using my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Cream Contour Palette and placing that on the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline, and anywhere I want to slim down. And I'm blending it all out with my Real Technique sponge. And now to set the concealer in place, I'm using my Coty Airspun Translucent Powder. So I forgot to set my cream contour in place with powder. So when I tried going over it with my powder bronzer, it just turned into a mess and I had a freaking patch right there, and I was so mad. But yeah, don't do what I did and set your cream in place before you put in powder. This is me trying to fix it, and I'm just like ugh. So now I'm just taking off the excess powder off that I had. Now to blend everything all in, I'm using my Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm literally just trying to save this so bad, but I just can't. And oh my, I just give up. Okay, so now I'm going in with my BH 10 color blush palette. And yeah, just placing that on the apples of my cheek and then blending it away with my buffing brush. Now for highlight, I'm using my Precious Petals Mega Glow from Wet n Wild. Yeah, just placing that anywhere I want to shine. And then setting it all in place with my MAC Fix Plus. So for lips, I'm using a Jordana lip liner. And then just outlining my lips and then filling it in with the lip liner. Then I go in with the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick and Give Me Mocha. And on top of that, I'm going to go in with a ColourPop Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Brianna, I'm pretty sure. To finish up my eyes, I'm going in with the Rocket Mascara and then also running underneath my waterline, just some eyeshadow that I had left over from a brush, and then putting some highlighter on my inner corners. And yeah, This is the final look, ladies. I really hope you girls enjoyed it, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.